Nope.
Call us when you get it finished, please. The egg sandwich.
Yeah, you can just call me, and I'll answer and tell him.
Your phone's not fixed up to get phone calls. I tried to call you a while ago.
No, because Case didn't answer it.
I didn't answer it.
Don't run off.
We're just going on a nature walk.
Dude.
You know, get off the road and stay away from that armadillo up there. You ain't going to make it touch it. You stink.
It's dead. Oh, I saw a little baby frog, so little.
Yeah, no, that's
But I couldn't get it.
water with your shoes.
Okay.
Okay. Holy crap, that's cold.
Told you the water was cold. It came straight from the sea. Or Gulf of Mexico.
I'll get to go. So I'll get y'all something at McDonald's.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Yeah,
Okay, you can call me. You can call me when you get done.
I'm good with that.
Yeah. She can call me and I'll answer her and tell her.
Grandma's got one of them things so I can bring the tablet now.
Charger?
We can play that driving game. Valley Breaks. Valley Breaks. That she got a new charger.
Oh yeah.
And we can play
Oh yeah, and there's free Wi-Fi at McDonald's, isn't there?
Yes.
I can bring my freaking
Probably.
yeah, over there.
Bring both things. She got a new charger and we can use it. Hey, do you have one of them? No. We're both gonna need one of them.
I already have a charger.
No, we're both gonna need one of them car charger things.
I don't have a car charger.
Grandma might.
Parkour?
How much percentage is your phone on?
Let me see. A 60. But it goes down slowly.
We've been out here for an hour or something. We've been using your phone for like 30 minutes or an hour. And it's only gone down 20%. Look.
Bruce Lee. Wait. Ah, crap.
It won't break.
Yeah, it needs to be thinner. About as thin as this one. It's hard to get thick ones. Ah, crap. We can leave that one alone.
I'd like to this one.
Yeah, I won't be able to. Ah, Jesus! No.
You just try it.
I can... Ow!
Here, hold it.
I cannot break that. That one's too solid.
I broke it!
No, you didn't. I think...
Dude, I know what I bet you will break this.
No. I cannot.
Dude, I barely just pulled that apart. Just try it once, right there.
See, I can't break that. That's the only way you can.
No, you can't. You can do it like this here. I know you can break.
We're going to go see the dead armadillo again. Although Grandma didn't want us to. We're just rebellious. Isn't this mushrooms right here?
Yep. A tree. Broke it.
Yeah, they're tree.
Freddy Krueger!
I just ran for that dude. He was trying to kill me. I'm still recording.
You can break this. This is easy. Oh God, that hurt. Mighty stick.
Okay, I might be able to break.
Shakespeare. Yeah.
Remember when the dogs attacked us?
When I got my finger bit off by a rabbit.
What?
When I got my finger bit off by a rabbit.
You didn't get your finger bit off.
Right there, dude.
Where?
Right there.
I don't see it.
No, that was you, guys. That was when I was like 4.
You were not 4 a year ago.
Huh?
You were not 4 a year ago.
No, I said that was when I was like 4. Then we go walk up to the
You can hit it with a rock. Because she's never said anything about that.
She didn't say about poking it with the stick.
Yeah.
She didn't say we couldn't poke it with the stick.
Yeah, I'm getting me a stick. Oh my God, that stick's effective. Oh, Jesus. There we go. A good stick. Found a stick. What? What, is it soft?
No, it's bouncy.
Ugh. Do you smell that?
Yeah. You smell horrible.
Oh, dude, you knocked some more blood out. Come here. Dude, look, you made some more blood come out.
Fresh blood.
Yeah. Well, even fresher.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ugh. Let's go. Let's run.
Remember when I ran through this mud puddle inside the RC car?
Yeah. Wish I would have caught that on tape.
We need to get a bigger and stronger stick.
What, to poke it with?
Perfect. Not crap. Oh, yeah.
You get.
Shakespeare.
I found one long freaking stick to whack it with.
I know. I was taking that.
Let's see how strong it is. I'm coming. I should whack it hard. Jesus, what is that? He's going to go whack the dead armadillo with that stick.
Oh, you had it on video the whole time?
Yeah. Oh, Jesus. It's no longer on video, dude.
Yeah.
It's no longer on video, dude. It still is.
What is his name again?
You mean Wolverine? Did you hit the armadillo? Did you hit the armadillo?
No. Ah, I missed again.
This thing stinks. Think I hit it.
Wait, I gotta hit it. I can't hit it.
You hit it in the tail.
No, I didn't hit it. You hit it. It's a big rock.
Yeah, I got a big rock too. Oh, I hit that thing.
Dude, let's get out here.
Yeah, let's say, if Grandma thinks we were hitting it, let's just say, oh, we weren't. We were just looking around.
Let's say we saw my friend Colin and he was hitting it. I mean, we'll say, I guess it was my friend Colin. We'll just say it was her. We'll just tell her it was us. Hey, you can hear me?
No.
We'll just tell her that it was us.
Nah. She doesn't even know. She didn't even hear it. Look, she didn't even hear it. If she would have heard it,
Set off. Never mind, it didn't.
if she would have heard it, she would have called me by now. Dude, let's just not tell her anything and see how she reacts.
I just barely told her that. That's my stack now.
The left one.
The one on your left or my left?
Your left.
This one?
Yeah.
You just said hit one. Alright, now, bud.
Yeah, I'm scared you throw it on me.